In today's video, we're gonna do Gelex tutorial. If that's what you're looking for, this video is for you. Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do Gelex. We're starting by prepping. So now we start by applying the cuticle cream. We just want to soften the cuticle and soften the skin around the nails so that it'll be easy to trim. Next, I go in with my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles. And I go in with my cuticle trimmer to trim away the dead skin. Then I smooth and shape the edges with my nail file. I go in with my sanding band to remove the natural shine so that the product can stick better. Wipe with alcohol or nail cleanser. Then I'm gonna apply the nail prep and primer. This helps the product to stick better and last longer by removing moisture and creating a smooth base. I'm gonna size the soft gel tips, making sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall. I'm gonna use my portable light to cure. I have adhesive glue gel and rubber base gel, so I usually use the rubber base. So we gonna etch my tip on the inside to increase the adhesion and they can last longer. So I'm applying the rubber base inside and then I'm gonna stick it on my nails. I'm gonna put pressure up until the rubber base reaches the edge and then I'm gonna stop and cure. And this is what Gelex nails looks like. Gelex nails are full coverage soft gel tips that are adhered to your natural nails using a gel adhesive or any gel and cured under a UV lamp. So because the shape is already there, I'm just gonna smooth the edges. I take the ceramic drill bit to blend around the cuticle area. then again, I'm gonna go in with my sanding band to smooth around the cuticle area where I was blending it and remove the shine on the entire tip. Wipe with alcohol or nail cleanser. I'm gonna apply the first coat of gel polish. I'm starting in the middle, going to the bottom, up until to the cuticle area. The aim is not to paint the skin, but to paint the tip. After curing, we move to the second coat and then we paint exactly the way we painted the first coat. After curing for 60 seconds, I go in with my cat eye. I'm applying it on top and I'm gonna move my magnet while it's still wet, and when I'm happy with the design, I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. And I go in with my glossy top coat to seal the design. Since well it's December time, I decided to go with Christmas design. While the polish is still wet, I'm gonna sprinkle some glitter on top. And I'm gonna apply the cuticle oil. It keeps the cuticle healthy and prevents them from drying out. And this is our beautiful gel tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.